Good morning students. Today first I will discuss about the questions that is based on previous video. Question number 1. What do you mean by sorting data? Sorting in Excel is nothing but arranging data stored in Excel according to your requirement. It can be done by depending on the value type stored in cells. Next question, what is custom filter? Custom filtering is the option used for filtering data on specific conditions. It is also known as auto filter. Next question, write short note on conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is a feature in many spreadsheet applications that allow you to apply specific formatting to cells that meet certain criteria. It is most often used as color-based formatting to highlight, emphasize, or differentiate among data and information stored in a spreadsheet. Next question, in what way filtering can be done? Filter can be done by three different ways: format, list value, criteria. So students, in this chapter I will discuss about what is database, then field, record, field name and form. First I will start from database. What is database? A database is formed of fields and records. Or you can say a database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. What is field? A database field is a single piece of information from a record. Or you can say a column in a database that has only one type of data is known as a field. For example, a roll number, name are different fields. Next, record. A record is composed of fields and contains all the data about one particular person, company, or item in a database. Or you can say a row is known as a record in a database. The record contains information about one person or one object. For example, roll number, name, English form a record of one student. Next, field name. Field name may refer to, in computer science, a name identifying a field in a database record. Or you can say the column label for a field is known as field name. All field names are displayed in one row. Example, roll number, name, subject name, etc. Form. A form is a database object that you may use to enter, edit, or display data from a table or a query. In other words, a dialog box that provides a simple way to enter or display row of information or record is known as a form. So students, today you are going to learn how will you create form and how will you add new record in this particular form. First, what will you do? You have to open MS Excel sheet. Okay, you know how will you open? You have to go to start button, then go to all programs, then have to select MS Office. In MS Office, what will you do? Have to select what? MS Excel sheet. When you will click on MS Excel sheet, you can see over there are different types of tabs. What will you do? Go to File tab. There you can see different types of options: save, save as, open, close, information, recent, new, print, save and send, help and option. You will select option. Then what will you do in option, Excel option? There are different types of another options: journal, formulas, proofing, save, language, advanced, customize, ribbon, quick access toolbar, add ins, trust center. So what will you do? You will select quick access toolbar. When you will click on quick access toolbar, there you can see choose commands from. So there are different types of commands, but what will you do? Have to click on all commands. Okay, when you will click on all commands, there you can see form. You will use scroll bar. Here you can see form here. Okay, you will select this form and you will click on add option for adding form. Already added. What will you do? This is the earlier added form. You will remove it and you can see over there how will you add new form. Okay, again add this new form. Then what will you do? You will click on OK. Then you can see here, this is your quick access toolbar. Near this you can see the form. Okay, if you want to enter new record, what will you do? Either you will click on or you will select another cell, different cells. Okay, now you can enter, suppose menu item number, menu item number. Okay, now next record is mm, 102, P102. This is the code. Okay, again you can write here near types of food. Okay, or you can do one thing, you can move, you can see previously entered record. Okay, you can delete this whatever you have done, or you can enter new record using. Okay, now see, if you want to add new record, here you can add menu item, You can write here paneer. Okay. Then price 150 rupees. Quantity free. Here you can see menu item name is paneer. Okay, price $150. Quantity free and total will be $450. Okay. Now you can delete this record. You will close this. If you want to open, suppose you want to delete this record like last one. Okay, you want to delete this record, so you can delete this. Okay. So what you have learned, how will you add new record using form in MS Excel, and how will you delete record. Homework for today is worksheet based on chapter 1 to 3. Thank you.